so I've got a little bit more done. A couple things that really annoy me, and it's like this light is fitted within the cupboard. The screws that are in here, they're not through into the cupboard, they're through into the first layer of the cupboard, and then the second layer of the cupboard is put on top. So how do you ever replace the light fitting? Should it be bust? Yeah. Anyway, right, getting the roof off has shown that it is curved at the back here. However, it doesn't really need to be. So I'm not sure if I can make that straight, whether it will screw up the structural integrity. So I need to investigate that. But one thing that has shown is that the walls have been mounted first, and they go behind the wooden frame. So am I going to be replacing the walls? That's a question. But in the bathroom, I don't have much choice, because the wooden structure above the insulation has rotted. So that's going to be fun. And this one also. Why they just put wallpaper on a wooden wall in a bathroom in a wet area with no seal. Anyway, but progress is coming along. Yeah. Anyway, the steel screw coming from the outside in. Yep. But all of that side's off now. Now I need to work on this side another day.